Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchipz, and this is a customer repair. Now this is the first actual customer repair I've done, because normally I don't do customer repairs, but on this occasion I decided yes, okay, we'll do this, as it's quite an unusual radio. So let's have a look at it. So it's a H0COM from Norway. And originally it was 22 channels and 11 alpha and 500 milliwatts, but apparently this radio wasn't like that. It was actually 80 channel. So anyway, as you can see inside, it's a nice 059 chassis. Looks like the multimode 2, so we shouldn't have much trouble getting this singing again. So somebody's been in here and knows what they're doing, because C11's been changed already. So I've got the original VCO. Now looking at the board, I didn't notice that cap at the top had leaked everywhere, but we got to that later on. But everything looks okay. So we're just having a look at the final output bias, and that hasn't been done, so we're going to address that. So out with a 10 ohm, in with a 15 ohm. And then we reset the bias for 0.7 of a volt. Just like that. So that's a good start. Now, the owner of this radio wants 5kc fit into it, so we can do that. And he also wants the FM audio VCO fitting. So there's our VCO in. Fed from the AVR. Actually the VCO that was in it was a little bit dodgy, and there's a Microchipz 5kc board, just using 5kc, nothing else needed. So nice and tidy install. And after a nice bit of alignment on the scope on the two-tone, and checking the receive, basically just giving it a thorough checking over, and obviously a good frequency alignment. So that's channel 1 mid-band, near enough 965. It will go to 965, there we go. It's just on the edge, but we're on a 1 second gate time there, so it's as accurate as it's going to be. There's channel 1 high band, nicely 27415, so that's good. 27865, 855 and 27405, and there's the zeros. So 850, we should be 855, so we've got now zeros on here. Now the clarifier isn't unlocked on this, and it doesn't want it unlocking, so we've left that as it is, but now it's 5s and zeros. So after a little while fiddling about and aligning it and getting it all nice, ironing out a few little dry joints that drove me mad for a little while in the crystal filter in the sideband circuit. It's a little bit intermittent. We got that sorted. So I'm going to run this on test for a few days, just make sure no other issues appear, and if all being well, we can send it back off to Sweden. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to join my Facebook group, Patreon, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.